Okay, this is my video on setting up the Zelda 3 reverse engineering project on OpenBSD. First thing you want to do is just clone it to someplace. Once you've cloned it, you need to copy a ROM into it. So I have one in another repo for this, so I'll just copy that over. And it needs to be named Zelda3.sfc and in the tables folder. Then you need to run this Python command to install requirements. I've already done that. So after this, all you should have to do is run gmake, and it should build the whole thing, and then also extract the assets. This should take just a second. Oh yeah, this repo right here is one that I've OpenBSD patched, because this doesn't work on OpenBSD by default. And the patches and the ports are actually, they do way too much that they don't need to actually do. So this is just to get it working and not to have a ton of extra shit on top of that. Extracting game resources, so it should just take a second. After that's done, we can edit the Zelda3.ini and then change some stuff like extended aspect ratio. You can set this to 16:9 or 18:9. I'm going to try something else, which is ignore aspect ratio. I'll turn that to true. There's a different things. You can, oh, that's interesting. You can swap your output message. You can do a few things in here. You can also change your controls right here. But generally, yeah, generally you only want to change your output, and then you just do /Zelda3. Can go ahead and move this over to, yeah, ignore aspect ratio doesn't work the way I wanted to, so that's an easy fix. I should go ahead and try to add a 21:1:9 thing. That's the reason I wanted to try this. On my desktop I use an actual 21:9 monitor. You can hit your number keys to load some different states with the game. There you go.